You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. You see this area right here? You see, I was talking about market coming down into this level of support, and I said let's wait for market to come into this place, and that we are going to see a reaction, see very massive reaction yesterday as a result of the CPI data. And on the 4-hour chart, the same thing. I said market is going to go down. Market go down before this sharp move after the CPI data release. And also on ETH, all analysis went down, and then this sharp move to the upside. So what are we expecting now in the market as we see this very sharp move to the upside on ETH and BTC? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the 1-day chart, I was talking about market coming into this level of support, and if you look at it very well, you see market come exactly into this level of support with this massive rejection to the upside. This rejection means that there is a very strong buy potential at this area. That means buyers were so strong seated at this very area of support, willing to buy at lower prices. So that leads to a massive push of the market to the upside, as you can see right here with this rejection candle, and this is a hammer candle. Okay, and right now you see this very candle today moving to the upside. Very importantly, if we see this candle close bullish today, then that means markets have a high capacity of moving to the upside from this very area. I was expecting this market to, come back down and stay here for some time, then break out to the downside. That was my expectation. But you see, this very reaction is very important, and it also leads to change of sentiment. Okay, so once this candle closed today, I am paying attention to this very candle. Once it closed, then that means market is going to move to the upside if it closed bullish, and that is what I am paying attention to right now after the CPI data release. And right now on the 4-hour chart, on the immediate short term, yesterday I was talking about market coming back down into this level, and exact same thing, market come down into this very area before this rejection, and the market pump to the upside. Right now, expect a retracement from where the market is right now. So from this area where the market is to this very point, expect retracement from this level to the downside, retracement before continuation to the upside. Okay, because market has been moving from this very area of support all the way up to this very point. That means don't take a buy position where the market is right now. Reason why: market is going to come down, give you a better buy price, before market will continue to the upside. So don't buy where the market is right now, and don't also sell here. Allow the market to go down in form of a retracement. Then after the retracement, market is going to move up again for continuation, because we see this very level of support, resistance right here, and market break it to create a new high. Now if market go up and break this level of resistance and create a new high, that will be very important for us to look for more bullish price action in the coming days. And on ETH, the same thing. I said market is going to move to the downside from here. You see this market move as predicted, and this massive rejection to the upside, and right now market is here. Expect retracement from here on the immediate short term, from this very point to where the market is right now. Retracement from this level to the downside before continuation. This is what will happen. This is what I'm expecting according to my analysis. So this is what I am paying attention to on ETH, on the immediate short term, and also on BTC and BTC 1-day chart. What do you think about the market right now as we see the CPI data not worse than expected, and market begin to push to the upside? Is this a fake move, or this is a real move to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. And then if you've not been trained on how to trade cryptocurrency profitably, check the description of this video, see contacts, reach out to me immediately and get mentored. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.